In this video, I will show you how to generate an md2 hash for any string input. So visit my this on website webtools.barkatireza.in. Then click here md2 generator. Underneath this generator tools, also you can search here md2 and click on it. Now enter your text and submit. So you will get this result md2 hash, copy and use anyway. So it's complete free website. You can use so many tools. There are about 1500 tools. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.